welcome aboard the Kemah Boardwalk Railroad, a gas-powered handmade replica of an 1863 Central Pacific steam engine train that will take you through this 60-acre entertainment complex that we are proud to call the Kemah Boardwalk.
What have got your arm?
Put your arm in.
Please stay seated and keep your hands and feet inside the train at all times.
I hope your arm doesn't come off.
Well, if it comes off, I don't stand to pick it up. Stays here for the buffalo. Can I ever have?
We have the glass too. Good choice. There's the arm.
Next time we pick up a better one.
To our right is Landry's Seafood House. This historic site opened in 1947 and has been home to Landry's since 1989. Once an illegal gambling hotspot, the restaurant has survived several hurricanes and still stands proudly today. On our right is Clearwood Church. Every day, hundreds of watercraft pass by on their way to Galveston Bay and beyond. Did anyone know that Clear Lake is the third largest yachting community in the entire U.S.? As we venture around the bend, get ready to scream as we journey through the mysterious Kemah Tunnel.
Look, give me your hand. This is very scary.
Anybody hungry? The Lighthouse Buffet is an all-you-can-eat dining experience at a reasonable price. Bubblegum Shrimp Company, the world-famous restaurant, is known for their shrimp dishes, just like Mama makes it. Can you name all the types of ways you can make shrimp?
Yes.
Shrimp is the fruit of the sea. You can barbecue it, boil it, broil it, bake it, saute it, make shrimp kebabs, shrimp creole, shrimp gumbo, pan-fried, deep-fried, stir-fried.
I don't know. Look.
For a trip south of the border, Cadillac Bar Mexican Restaurant is known best for its great Ritas, amazing fajitas, and local waitstaff. With 3 levels, Cadillac is the perfect place to fiesta. Coming up on the right, we have the famous Flying Dutchman Restaurant and Oyster Bar. This restaurant offers outside casual dining with great meals of the day. And fabulous red sushi and hibachi grill. The teriyaki tables provide great fun for the family. We're now about to enter the Grand Events Plaza. This great outdoor environment plays host to live entertainment, music festivals, and a playground to keep the children happy. We guarantee it will provide hours of fun. Check out our calendar of events on the sign by the entrance to see what event you want to come to this year. Coming up, you will see the Aquarium, a unique 3-level restaurant, home to over 70,000 gallons of water and over 100 different species of fish. Enjoy incredible seafood specialties as you dine amongst the fish and coral. Over at the Stingray Reef attraction, you can actually meet the stingrays. So cool. And on those hot summer days, why not take a walk through our dancing fountains? A great way to cool off if you dare. In the background, you'll see our Boardwalk Inn with 52 spectacular rooms and quaint cafes. A great getaway to relax and recharge. And don't forget, over 20 shops filled with gifts for all ages.
Oh my goodness. I think the tunnel is coming. And it's called Grasshopper Tunnel. Look, it's the Grasshopper Tunnel. Be careful.
Is everyone having a really good time so far? Let me hear it. Great. You know what to do in the Kemah Tunnel. Come on, everyone. Scoop
Let us go again. Which one?
I go with Edward on that.
Which one?
The Ferris wheel.
You want to go?
With Luke. It's the slow, yeah. And then you go with Grace on the carousel,
Okay.
On your left, we have a great view of Galveston Bay. Galveston is an estuary with a mixture of salt water from the Gulf of Mexico and fresh water from creeks and streams inland. Interestingly, Galveston Bay averages only 7 to 9 feet in depth. Have any of you played the Boardwalk East Speedboat Thrill Ride? Just a warning, you will get soaked. The perfect ride for those hot summer days.
Look. Be careful, look, be careful. Here there's the Grasshopper Tunnel.
We are now approaching Saltgrass Steakhouse. Did I mention the Saltgrass Sheriff asked us to keep an eye out for a band of outlaws raiding our Saltgrass territory? Hey everyone, look out! It looks like we're caught in the middle of a gunfight!
They said, what's this promotion about?
Is everyone okay? It
Yeah.
looks like those outlaws finally met their match. Thank you for riding with us today. Please remain seated and inside the train until it has come to a complete stop. And thank you for visiting the Kemah Boardwalk.
Yelling
please exit to the left and rear of the train, and have a nice day.